We have here the innovator. So nakita ko dito that there's someone here na is possibly manifesting right here something. Okay? So dito, tinuturo yung isang mug, no? So this could be a coffee talk right here. Maybe someone here wants to talk. Okay? But with the stars, possible na ito ay wish. Yun. So lahat ng i-wish, di ba? Bakit yung pag-uusap? Yeah, kinda important or importante kasi sa taong ito ang pag-uusap. So let's see, what about this communication right here? What about this communication? Can you please tell me more? Thank you so much, Archangel Michael, together with the angel guides. Tell me more about this communication, or maybe this person here is manifesting, conversation with my nakshis, with my collective people. Okay, thank you. Mm-hmm. Okay. Ace of Wands right at the heart or center of the reading. Okay, and this is you. Tic-tac-toe. Ten of Mugs, Ace of Records, and the Nine of Pens energy. Mamaya I'm gonna tell you kung ano yan, but definitely there's this something here about communication. But it looks like you're not paying attention. Okay? You're excited about something here, no? Parang you feel like you are being reborn again, no? So, ang ganda nung nakuha nating message dito sa inyong side. Kabaliktaran, no? Ng isa dito. There you go. Okay? Bottom of the deck, we have here the Eight of Mugs. We also have here the Two of Pens and the Student of Pens energy. Hi and hello there collective, my name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers at sa ating mga returning tambayers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support na binibigay sa akin. At kung hindi nyo pa na-subscribe pa po tayong main channel kung saan nag-upload din tayo araw-araw ng collective readings for all signs, no? At kung hanap ninyo ay reading per zodiac sign, meron din tayo niyan weekly and monthly. Ang link niyan, no, ay nandyan sa ating description box, no? The High Priestess Tarot ang name ng channel ko, mga pipski. So, yun nga mga bis, wala rin po tayo ditong gender, so babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat welcome. Pwede rin pong iswitch at magkapalit-palit yung mga roles. Yeah, that's possible to happen because ito ay isang general reading. And at the end of the day, everybody, you have your free will, like you have your decision to make, no, kung gusto ninyong i-claim yung mga mensahe at gawing guidance or not. Okay, at syempre timeless din po ito, so pwedeng ito ay tapos na nangyari na sa iba naman nangyayari na ngayon, at sa iba ay mangyayari pa lamang. But here, looks like someone here could be distracted. Hindi siya rito makapag-focus. Unlike you, nakikita ko na nakakapag-focus ka. But this energy right here, no, could be someone listening to sad music. Yeah, see? Oh, sad movie. Movie music always makes him or her cry. Kung sino man tong energy na to, yeah, definitely. Pwedeng umiiyak, pwede rin naman na malungkot siya rito, no? Malungkot ka na naman, yan, no? Kung sino man tong energy na to, malungkot na naman siya rito, punong-puno siya rito ng problema, and you are someone here na iniisip niya rito, so ikaw yung pinaka rason kung bakit dito mga babe siya ay ganito. Kung sino man tong energy na to na nakikita ko dito na parang ito yung klase ng pagsubok na mahirap niyang nilalampasan, no? And when I say nilalampasan, pwedeng hindi pa talaga siya nakakaumos or wala pa siya rito sa kalahating porsyento ng pag-move on sa'yo. There's this communication right here na nag-first move siya gumawa siya rito ng first move. This person here could had sent you a message, no? Or could had called you, no? Pwedeng tinawagan kayo. Kung hindi pa ito nangyayari, tatawagan niya kayo here, sweetheart. That's very evident. At kung hindi pa kayo sinesenda nito ng chat message, ng text message, no? That will definitely happen very pretty soon, no? So, it's early, no, as expected dito, and yung iba sa inyo, this is something here na parang dati, kinaka-excite ninyo sa pinapakita sa akin, excited kayo to receive that person's message, or parang yung iba hindi naman excited pero iniintay ninyo. Okay? Yung mensahe na yan noon, no? Pero hindi na ngayon. Kasi when we got the Ace of Brushes energy or the Ace of Wands in the classic tarot, meaning to say you are no longer excited about this, hindi nyo na nga yan iniintay at hindi nyo na rin yan inaabangan. In short, lalang. Kaya naman, itong energies nito, no, nakita ko na bakit kasi ganun ang inyong nararamdaman. Because the Ten of Mugs ay nandito na, no? Nakita ko dito, Ten of Mugs, and there's this Ace of Records energy. Okay na kasi kumis yan, no? Okay na kumis yan. I'm starting to live my life beautifully now. Everything comes naturally. Okay, okay na ako ngayon. Mas umukay yung life ko, and for some reason, hindi ko maipaliwanag kung it is because of letting go of the attachment or it's just me. Hindi ko lang talaga nakita yung mga opportunities for me way back before, but now I'm seeing all of those things. Nakita ko nakapag-ayos na kayo dito, no. Dati hindi kayo makapagsuklay, pero dito nakapaghikaw pa kayo. Lahat tayong gender dito ha, babae, lalaki, no? So, parang mas inaayos ninyo yung sarili ninyo ngayon, mas maayos din yung buhay ninyo ngayon. Yung iba, nagagawa nyo na mag-travel dito, no? Dati, dyan lang kayo, no? Isang tricycle lang yung dayo, no? Ngayon, nakakapag-ibot na kayo sa iba't ibang mga tourist spots, may pera na kayo. Yung iba, pwedeng nakapunta pa nga kayo sa ibang bansa, no? So, talagang nakita ko na nagsisimula na kayo rito, no? And with the Ace of Records energy, no? This is a big, no? Big record right here, no? Meaning to say big coin. So, ibig sabihin, you're starting fresh, no? So, nakikita ko rito na sinisimulan ninyo yung life ninyo beautifully now, no? Parang nagsimula yung buhay ninyo, o nagsimula kayong mabuhay talaga. Yung as in mabuhay, maramdaman yung mga oportunidad, no? Ngayon, no? So, nakita ko rito that you are finding here yourself, no? Into this type of energy na okay na ako. So, this communication, hindi na to nagpa-excite sa inyo, pero hindi nyo rin to pinansin. With the Eight of Pens energy, with the Eight of Records energy, but I mentioned Eight of Pens. Yeah, definitely no movement from you guys, no? Eight of Pens ay Eight of Swords in the classic tarot. Meaning to say, nabanggit ko yon because this is you, no movement at all. You're just laser focused here with your work, with your own life, building here something that you think na makikinabang ka or magbe-benefit yung self mo, no? And you're starting great. You feel like you're being reborn. Student of Brushes energy. So this is you, okay? Maybe you are creative, maybe you are artistic, no? But doesn't have to be that you have talent sa pagdodrawing or whatever, no? This is you. You're excited to paint here new life here, new chapter here of your life, So, nakikita ko dito, there's a lot of excitement, there are lots of possibilities na parang gusto mo na kunin or excited kang i-grab yung mga opportunities na yan, no, possibilities, whatever. So, nakikita ko that you're doing great with your life. Unlike with this other person over here, nakikita ko dito that this other person over here is someone, no, na stuck thinking about you, stuck in listening into sad songs and dwelling himself or herself in watching sad movies kasi nakaka-relate siya ron. At hindi na siya nakakatulog na maayos. Okay? And this is something here na nakikita ko na hindi na maganda sa kanyang health. No? Hindi na maganda kasi maraming gabi na rito na hindi na siya nakakapagpahinga at hindi nakakatulog ng maayos, no? And that's something here na alarming when it comes to his or her own health. Now, I'm not a doctor, I'm just reading energies right here. And I'm seeing na hindi siya dito nakakatulog. It is because this is the problem that he or she cannot solve. He or she cannot escape from. Because the only solution is you. But you keep on running away from him or her. So the solution, ikaw yon, pero tumatakbo ka from this person, kaya parang hindi niya dito alam kung ano yung gagawin niya. Okay? So that's the point. That's the main point right here, sweetheart. No? And with the Eight of Mugs energy, maybe this person here could be someone who uses one particular bag. Doesn't have to be that it's backpack. No? It could be anything. It could be a shoulder bag right here. Basta meron siyang isang bag lang na madalas niyang gamitin. That's what I'm picking up. Na maybe this is your person, no? Na hindi naman sa isa lang yung bag niya. Pero meron siyang isang bag na palaging ayun yung ginagamit niya. No? Could be any type of bag, but isa lang. No? Like, yun lang yung madalas niyang ginagamit. Every time na lalabas siya, aalis siya. No? So, we also have here the Eight of Mugs, the Two of Pens right here, Student of Pens. So, nakita ko dito that if you still hindi magre-respond or hindi magre-reply sa kanya, this person will definitely go to you. Pupuntahan niya kayo rito. Okay? Sasadyain niya kayo. This person right here, titingnan niya rito, no? Kasi baka may pagbabago. Baka pagkaharap ka niya, baka kausapin mo siya. Parang yun yung iniisip niya. Pag nakaharap ka niya, baka may chance na kausapin mo siya. Kasi pag text lang, pag chat lang, no? Pag tawag lang, pwede mo pa yung pwede ka pang gumawa ng excuse dun na hindi mo yung sinagot, hindi mo nasagot kasi may ginagawa ka, may trabaho ka, no, or may kausap ka during that time, no, pwede ka pang mag-excuse. Pero siya rito, no, parang pupuntahan ko na lang si collective kasi baka mas may chance na magkausap kami ng personal kung personal ko itong gagawin. Yan, no. So, see, medyo desperate yung kanyang energy. Okay? So, for some reason, I'm picking up that this person right here is someone who's really distracted. So, posibleng gawin niya ito sa araw na may pasok siya sa trabaho. Pwedeng mag-leave siya or hindi magpaalam, like umabsent na lang, no? At nakikita ko dito, no, na ito ay malakas na mangyari, no, sa araw ng weekdays. Kahit anong araw man iyon, no? So, nakikita ko dito na hindi niya na maaantay yung weekends para puntahan kayo rito mga babes. So, hahanapin din niya kayo, lalo na yung iba rito nakita ko na pwedeng alam niya lang, no, na sabihin natin na nakatira ka sa Maynila. Ang laki ng Maynila, di ba? Saan kanya hahanapin dun, no? So, this person here, hahanapin niya kayo, tutuntunin niya kung nasan kayo. Gano. Example ko lang yung Maynila, but it could be any other location right here. Okay? So, nakita ko dito that this person here will definitely search for you, look for you. Okay? At gusto ko nito, no, na i-corner, no, like kausapin in person. Wala ka na magagawa. Wala na magagawa si collective pagkaharap niya na ako. Masasabi ko na rin yung gusto kong sabihin, you know. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, binablock nyo no, with the 5 of records energy. Binablock ninyo, no. Pagkasabi niya ng hello, bababa nyo na. Okay? O kaya, pwedeng hinahang up nyo lang siya. Hindi mo nga pinapatay, pero hindi mo naman siya pinapakinggan, no. Bukas lang yung cellphone mo, diba? So, this person right here, makakasigurado siya na kapag kinausap ka niya in person, maririnig mo yung mga mensahe ng malinaw, no? Na hindi niya na kailangang ulitin, no? Parang at least naparating ko kay collective yung gusto kong sabihin. Yan, no? Pero yun nga, this is out of your control and this is something here na parang gusto ko kasi niya ritong i-corner, no? So parang ang dating iniistorbo niya kayo rito, no? Ganong klase ng energy, no? So, kasi naman tong energy na ito, no? Yeah, that's an act of desperation coming from the place of desperation. That's why this person right here is acting like that. Very weird, but at the same time, very foolish. Isipin ninyo, ayaw nyo na nga siyang kausapin dito, pero pinagpipilitan niyo pa yung sarili niya, isn't it? Something here like a Polish person do, you know? And kung sino man tong energy na to, no, I do pick up that this person right here really wants to, talk to you, talk about this thing right here, pero ikaw ito na wala na tayong dapat pag-usapan. Wala ng kahit na anong dapat na pag-awayan, yan 'no. Kasi nakita ko dito na parang yung energy rin kasi medyo sabihin na natin desperate siya, but at the same time sa tono niya parang medyo may pagkainis or may pagkagalit pa rin, eh, 'no. So wala na kayong dapat pag-usapan, wala na tayong dapat pag-awayan, wala ng dapat na kahit na anong i-open pa, na connection or komunikasyon. Yan. So, ito yung mga messages right here na nakuha ko coming here for you guys. For some reason, I'm picking up two initials. We have here letter D and we also have here letter R. Yan, no? So, yung mga babes na posibleng siya ay may kinalaman dito sa medicine or baka siya ang occupation niya ay related sa medicine but doesn't have to be, could be a doctor, nurse right here. No? But definitely, high message, ibig lang sabihin nun, gusto niya rito ng kagalingan. Kagalingan sa emosyon at pag-iisip. Dahil siya rito mga babes are really bothered. And this person here, no, talagang alarming yung kanyang health. So, thank you so much again, I'm Miriana on Sarang Hiya mga babes, love and light. Ayun.